So guys, yes, welcome to today's live internet trading. I'm short selling HCL Tech around 937 now in the market level. So let's see how the stock will perform. So guys, welcome to today's live internet trading. So you can see the market has opened in a bit of a gap up section, and I guess the HCL Tech has touched its resistance level around 940. So that's the reason why I have decided to take short sell entry here in HCL Tech. Okay, so let's see how the stock will perform. We are holding the short sell position in HCL Tech. Okay, so you can see the stock has not drawn much movement to the upper side. Okay, so the first 5 minutes candle was kind of an inverted hammer, if you guys can see. So that shows that there is a lack of bullishness in this stock. So that's the reason why I've taken a short sell. But yes, it might come down and take somewhere support and go up. So before it takes a support and go up, I shall exit by booking like a 4 to 5 points target. So let's wait for it and we'll see if the stock can touch around 933 or 932, and I'll take my exit. And also, if you guys are new to a stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my course today. In my course, I'll teach you the exact skill and unique knowledge without indicators. Okay, so simple skills without indicators, no complicated things. I'll teach you. Okay, it's a one-time payment, you get lifetime support. The goal of our course is to make you as a profitable trader. To provide NSE and MCX trading course, the course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also, these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also, I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So guys, yes, now back to the live trade. As you guys can see, the stock has now touched the low of 934.60. So now you can see the market is come down a little bit down at the top left side, if you guys can see. So not much of a movement in the stock as of now. So let's wait for it to give a movement. So as the market is very bullish, the stock can take some of the time to come down and give a target. So let's wait for it. So once the market comes down a bit, I think you can see a quick movement happening in HCL Tech is what my study is. So let's see. So as of now, it has touched 934.50 as a low. So yes, it is trying to make a new low, if you guys can see. So yes, planning to take my exit around 932 or 933 by booking 45 points target. So let's wait for it, guys, and once I take my exit, I'll just update you guys. And yes, we are trying to, you can see here HCL Tech is trying to make its new low, so around 934. Yes, so yes, we got the new low almost, if you guys can see. So you can see the live trade now, and guys, once I take my exit, I'll just update you guys. So until that, you can see the live trade what happens now. So guys, yes, if you guys can see here, we short sold somewhere around 937 and the stock has come down. Okay, so it has made a low of 930.9 somewhere. So I just took my exit by booking 5 points. So I took my exit. So this was the profit what we were able to book today in the today's trade of HCL Tech. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us today. You can go into my channel and watch all the videos. So every day I upload like how much profit I made in intraday trading. So you can watch all of this performance, and you can also see my client screenshot of profit in my blog, which I've given in the link in the description below of this video. And if you guys are motivated to make consistent profit from today, and if you guys wish to learn the good techniques to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.